In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make onigiri rice ball. Hi, this is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make onigiri. To make good onigiri, you need to have perfectly cooked rice. You can check how to make perfect rice in the link here. Other than rice, you also need some filling, salt, and this is totally optional, but if you like some nori seaweed. Filling can be anything you like, but salty one is preferred because it goes well with rice. Some popular fillings here in Japan are sake, salted and grilled salmon, tarako, marinated cod raw, mentaiko, spicy version of tarako, umeboshi, salty and sour pickled plum, okaka, mixture of bonito flakes and soy sauce, and tsunamayo, canned tuna mixed with mayonnaise. But you can use whatever you like, something salty. And today I'm using tarako, cod raw, just because I had it in my freezer. And about the nori seaweed, this is a standard size nori seaweed you get at the supermarket or grocery store, 18 centimeter, 21 centimeter. And for onigiri, you put it like this, so it's 20 centimeter here, and you cut it into 3. That's the perfect size to wrap your onigiri. I have some cooked rice, still warm, but not too hot or not too cold. Some salt, tarako, cod raw, and nori seaweed cut into onigiri size. Let's get started. At first, you need to wet your hands completely. Rice is very sticky, so if your hands are dry, it will stick all over your hands. So make sure to prepare a bowl of water. Wet your hands completely to the pan, like this. And then take some salt, this much. Put it all over your palm. Take some rice, put some rice on your hand and make it kind of flat like this, and in the middle you put the filling, then wrap the filling using the rice and make it in a bowl like this at first, and then do this. To make this triangle shape, the thickness triangle shape onigiri, put it on nori seaweed like this, and then fold these wings down. Tuck the bottom in. And your onigiri is ready. And here, let me show you closer shot. Again, you need to wet your hands. Every time you make onigiri, wet your hands. Some salt, like this. Put it on your palm, rub it all over your hands. Take some rice and make it kind of flat. Put the filling in the middle. Wrap it using the rice. Make it into a bowl, and then this. Thickness, the sides, and then put it on nori seaweed, fold these wings down, tuck bottom in, and your onigiri is ready. If making onigiri using your hands just like I did is too difficult, good news, there is an easier way. Prepare some plastic film, clean film. Sprinkle a little bit of salt in the middle. Put some rice on the salt. Filling in the middle. And bring 4 corners up to wrap the filling using rice. And then you can do this. To form triangle shape. Same thing with nori seaweed. Remove the clean film and put the onigiri in the middle and fold these wing parts down, tuck the bottom in, and you have beautiful onigiri.